Hi dear students, how are you today? Are you fine? I hope so. Are you ready to start a new lesson, a new topic, and a new discussion? If you are ready, again have a smile and let's get started. Today we are going to study a new subject. What is that? Similarities. What does similarities mean? Are you similar to me? Or I am similar to my brother? Now, I show you two figures. Are they similar? These two figures. Are they similar? Okay. In order to understand that they are similar or not, let's start to read the definition of similar shapes. Okay? First, definition. The pairs of geometric figures. You know geometrics. Okay? A square, triangle, and the others are geometric figures. The pairs of geometric figures. Pairs, it means two. Okay? That have the same shape. You know shape. Okay? But not necessarily the same size. Their shapes are equal, but size are not equal. Maybe one is very big, one is small, but they look like to each other. Okay? These figures are called similar figures. What type of figures? The figures which have same shape, but not necessarily same size. Maybe their size are also okay or equal, but that is not necessary. Okay? This is very important. Same shape, but not. Examples. You see there are two squares which look like to each other. It means they have same shape. What do we call them? Similar. We have two triangles. What do we call them? Similar. They look like each other. Okay. Similarity of triangles are going to be taught for today as a second subject. Okay? Definition. Two triangles are similar when? If their vertices, do you know vertices? These are vertices of what? Triangles, the top. These be A, B, and C. Okay? Two triangles are similar if their vertices can be paired so that. If their vertices can be this vertices with this and this with this. Pair, it means two. We are going to compare two triangles, okay? Can be paired so that we have two rules in order to say that two triangles are similar. What is the first one? Corresponding angles are congruent. Very simple. This angle is equal to this angle. Corresponding angles, it means the angles which are at the same ray or arrow. Now, in here, B is at the same range of D. It should be equal. If it is 30, it should be 30. If it is 40, it should be 40. And this one, A is equal to E. And C equal to F. As I showed you, B is equal to D. B is equal to D. What is this sign? This is the sign of degree or angle. In here, we have A is equal to E. A is equal to E. We have in here C is equal to F. This is C and this is F. The first is done. Corresponding angles are congruent. Congruent, it means equal. Corresponding sides are proportion. Corresponding sides are proportion. It means this is side with this. Okay? These two lines are called side. What does it mean? Their lengths have same ratio. It means AB, ratio you know, fraction. AB divided by what? AB divided by DE. AB divided by DE is equal to AC. Where is AC? AC divided by EF. AC divided by EF equal to, what is the last one? BC. BC divided by DF. It means that the corresponding sides are proportion. Or this length is equal, this length divided by this is equal to this length divided by the second one. To understand this, we are going to do some examples. Okay, dear students, now let's have an example to show some more information about the similarity of triangle. Okay, example 1. In the following similar figures, you see two similar figures, two triangles. Okay, find the lengths side x and y. X and y, they are not clear. We have to find the value of x and y. As you know, these two shapes are similar, and you know the second property of similarity, that they will have the what? Proportion property. Okay, now I would like to use the second property. How? I can write in the solution x over 5. Okay, solution. Since we have two triangles that they are similar, this A, B, C and E, F, D. There are two similar triangles, okay? We can write x over what? 5. X over 5. It is equal to 12 over 4. 12 over 4, which is equal to the last one, y over 7. Okay, now I have this proportion. Okay, I can find x and y. How? At first, in order to find x, I should have these two fraction or ratio. Okay, x over 5 is equal to 12 over 4. I have cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. X multiple 4 is 4x. 5 multiple 12 is how much? 60. Okay, in order to find only one x, I have to divide both sides to what? 4 in here. Okay, if I divide both sides to 4, so this 4 will be cancelled. And I have to divide 60 over 4. What is 60 over 4? 15. It means the value of x is 15. Now the second. In order to find y, I have to take the second ratios. Y over 7 is equal to 12 over 4. I have again cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Y multiple 4 is 4y. 7 multiple 12 is 84. I can divide both sides to 4. This 4 will be what? Cancel. And this 4 will be divided by 84. Okay, these two 4 cancel. What do we have? Y. 84 divided by 4 is only 21. These are the values of x and y that we can use in here, that these two triangles be similar. Okay, dear students, now we are going to do another example to understand the complete concept of similarity. Okay, second example. In the following similar figures, find the length side x. We are going to find this x. Okay, you see that two triangles are similar. Which triangle? This triangle, small one with big one. Okay, they are similar. And again we use the second property of proportion. Okay, now in order to find x, this side is similar to this side. Okay, so we can divide this by this. X over 7 is equal to which one? 8. 8 is from a small one. Okay? 8 over 8 plus 3, because the big triangle is this one. 8 over 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. Okay. Now we can find the x easily. How? X over 7 is equal to 8 over what? 11. We can have cross multiplication. X multiple 11 is 11x equal to 7 multiple 80, 56. We divide both sides by 11. So what is the answer? X is equal to 56 over 11. That is the answer, okay? And in here we have as a homework for you that find x where these two triangles are equal. So in order to find x, what should you do? You know that. And best of luck. Don't forget to follow up Afghan-Turk Marif YouTube channel, and if there is any question, so that is most welcome and we will answer it. Best of luck. See you. Thank you.